Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain hapticity in organometallic chemistry. See, what is meant by hapticity? The number of atoms in a ligand which are directly attached to the metal atom in an organometallic compound. So here, how many number of atoms in a ligand directly attached to the metal known as hapticity. What we want to know what is meant by organometallic compound. See here, organometallic compound means the compound must contain at least one metal and carbon bond, one direct metal and carbon bond known as organometallic compound. See here, what is meant by organometallic compound? Must contain at least one metal and carbon bond. So that compound known as organometallic compound. And what is meant by hapticity means how many number of atoms in a ligand attached to the metal atom. In another way, the number of atoms, coordination of number of atoms via coordination of number of atoms to the metal via uninterrupted and contiguous series of atoms. Means contiguous series of atoms means adjacent, and uninterrupted means continuous series of atoms. Coordination of atoms in a ligand to the metal known as hapticity. So in the hapticity we can count how many number of atoms attached to the metal in a ligand. Here what is ligand? Ligand donates the pair of electrons. Ligand donates the pair of electrons and metal accepts electrons from the ligand. So ligand acts as electron donor and metal acts as electron acceptor. And the hapticity denoted by eta. And this is a Greek word, comes from the heptene. Comes from the heptene. Heptene means fasten. Heptene means fasten. Here hapticity can be monohepto, dihepto, trihepto, tetrahepto, pentahepto and so on like this. So here fasten, heptene means fasten. Monohepto means fasten in one place, and dihepto means fasten in two places, trihepto means fasten in three places. So like this. So heptene denoted by eta and the numericals followed by the numerical superscript which indicates the number of atoms of a ligand attached to the metal center. See here, for example, this is the hapticity. N is the eta. Eta means the metal and X is number of donor atoms or number of atoms connected with the metal. For example, eta 2. Here the metal coordination with two ligands. The number of atoms, how many number of atoms connected to the metal? Here two atoms are connected to the metal. See here, for example, monoheptoligands. In monoheptoligands denoted by eta 1. This is the number of ligands attached to the metal indicates in the superscript. This is the how many number of ligands attached, and this is the metal. This is the metal. So here, for examples, R means alkyl groups, MC triple bond. There is no matter with the bonds attached to the ligands. See here, how many number of atoms attached directly with the metal? Only one atom. So this is known as monoheptoligand. And next, this is the metal and carbon bond, carbon atom. How many number of ligands attached to the metal only one atom. So this is known as monohaptoligand. Like this we can do the examples. See here, triple bond or double bond or single bond, there is no matter, but how many number of atoms we can count. See here, metal attached with carbon, only one atom is there, so we can count this monohaptoligands. See here, in this compound metal is attached directly with only one atom, so this is known as monohaptoligands. What is actually, we want to know hapticity means the how many number of atoms attached to the metal in a ligand. Ethylene is a dihaptoligand. Why? Because the metal attached in the middle of this compound. So we can count these two atoms are attached with this metal. So ethylene is a dihaptoligand. In the next compound, ethylene, the metal attached in the middle. So we can count middle of the compound. So we can count these two atoms, 1 and 2. So the metal at coordination with these two atoms. So we can count ethylene as dihapto. Dihapto means eta 2. So N indicates the metal and 2 indicates the how many number of atoms coordination with the metal. Here 2 atoms are coordination with the metal. So this is a dihaptoligand. See next, trihaptoligands. Trihaptoligands means what is the hapticity? The metal attached with the 3 atoms in a ligand. See here, in this structure, the metal attached with this carbon and middle of this double bond. So we can count 1, 2 and 3 because here the metal attached in the middle of this double bond and here also. So we can count 1, 2 and 3. So the hapticity of this structure is trihaptoligands. Trihaptoligands means eta 3. Tetrahaptoligands means the ligand attached metal attached with 2 atoms. See here, in this 1,3 butadiene, the metal attached with this double bond, middle of these 2 double bonds. So we can count this carbon and this carbon and this. So how many carbons are attached for this metal? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the hapticity of this 1,3 butadiene is tetrahapto. Tetrahapto means eta 4. The metal coordination with 4 atoms. Eta 4 means the metal at coordination with 4 atoms. So this 1,3 butadiene is tetrahaptoligands. Why? Because the metal attached with the middle of these 2 double bonds. So when the metal attached to the middle of the double bond means we can count both the sides of the atoms. So we take these 2 atoms and these 2 atoms. So the 1,3 butadiene is tetrahaptoligand. Take another example for the tetrahaptoligand, cyclobutadiene. See here, the metal attached with this side of double bond in the middle and this side of the double bond in the middle. So when the metal attached with the middle of the bond, we take both the sides of the atom. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So the metal attached with 4 atoms. So cyclobutadiene is tetrahaptoligand. Cyclobutadiene is a tetrahaptoligand. Eta 4. Eta 4 means the metal coordination with 4 atoms. Next, pentaheptoligands. In the pentaheptoligands, metal coordination with 5 atoms. This circle indicates the metal coordination entire the circle, entire the atoms. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here having 5 atoms, and the metal is attached with the middle of this circle. So this which indicates the metal coordination with the 5 atoms. So we can count 5 atoms are coordination with the metal. So the cyclopentadienyl has pentaheptohepticity. Pentahepto means eta 5. Eta 5 means the metal coordination with the 5 atoms. See here, the metal coordination with the circle. So we can count 5 atoms are connected to the metal. So cyclopentadienyl has pentaheptohepticity. So cyclopentadienyl is a pentaheptoligand. So we can count the, like this we can count the hepticity. See here, the metal coordinate in this compound, the metal coordination with the only one atom. So the hepticity is eta 1, and here also the metal coordination with the only one atom. So the hepticity is eta 1. But here the metal coordination with the circle means this the titanium metal coordination with the both 5 atoms. So the hepticity is eta 5. Next, hexaheptoligands. Hexaheptoligands means the metal coordination with the 6 atoms, known as hexaheptoligands. See here, in this benzene structure, the metal coordination with middle of this bond and middle of this bond and middle of this bond. So we can count both the sides of the bond. So here the metal is coordination with the middle of the bond. So we can count both the atoms, 1, 1, 2, and here the metal also coordination with the middle. So we can count both the sides, 3, 4, and here the metal coordination with the middle of the bond. So we can count both the atoms. So 5, 6. See here, in this structure the metal coordination with the 6 atoms. So we can count it as hexaheptoligands. So benzene is a, see here, benzene is a hexaheptoligand. Like this we can find the hepticity of these compounds. See here, like this, here we are taking as bonds and here we are taking as circle. Circle indicates the metal coordination with all atoms in the compound. So the circle indicates the metal coordination with all the atoms in a compound. So benzene is a hexaheptoligand. Another example for hexaheptoligand, cycloheptatriene. See here, in this cycloheptatriene, having 7 carbons. Cycloheptatriene has cycloheptatriene has 7 carbons, but the metal coordination with only 3 middle of these 3 bonds. So we can count, see here, for this double bond the metal coordination with middle. So we can count both the sides, 1 and 2. Here the metal, for this bond the metal coordination in the middle. So we can count both the sides, 3 and 4. See here, and for again for this bond the metal attached in the middle of this bond. So we can count both the sides, 5 and 6. So in this cycloheptatriene the metal only coordination with the 6 atoms. So we can count it as hexaheptoligand. Hexaheptoligand. Next, heptoligands. Heptaligands means the metal coordination with the 7 atoms. Coordination with the 7 atoms. Don't forget, only direct attached with the metal we can count only the atoms which are directly connect with the metal. See here, the metal coordination with the double bonds in the middle. So here only one carbon, but this side also the metal is attached, so we can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the metal is attached to the 4 sides of the atom, so the compound known as heptoligand. This compound is cycloheptatriene act as heptoligands when the metal attached to the 7 atoms directly. At that time only cycloheptatriene act as heptoligands. Before example, cycloheptatriene act as hexaheptoligand. Why? Because the metal attached to the only 6 atoms. So cycloheptatriene act as hexaheptoligand in that compound. Here heptaheptoligand. And also circle indicates the metal attached with all the atoms in the compound. So we can consider the hepticity is heptaligands in the cycloheptatriene. Next example, octaheptoligands. Octaheptoligands means the metal attached to the 8 atoms. See here, in the see here, in this cyclooctatetraene, the metal attached with middle of this bond, and here also middle, and here also middle, and here also middle. So we can count both the sides of the atoms. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here the metal attached with 8 atoms. So this considered as octaheptoligands. Here the circle indicates the metal attached with entire the atoms. So cyclooctatetraene act as octaheptoligands. See, hepticity means how many number of atoms attached to the metal, known as hepticity, and it is denoted by eta like this. Hepticity can be monohepto, dihepto, we already discussed. So the metal attached like this directly, like this one type, and like this also the metal is attached. If like the metal is attached like this, means we can count only one atom, and when the metal is attached in the middle of the bond, at that time we can count both the sides of the bond. And next, in the cyclic structures, the bond like this attached. So for these compounds, the metal attached for the total atoms. The metal is attached for the total atoms. So in this benzene structure, like this means the metal is attached for the 6 atoms. So this is a hexaheptoligands. When the metal is attached for the direct only one single one, we can count only one hepticity, and when attached to the double bond at the middle, we can count both the sides of the atoms. And like this circle means we can count entire the atoms. So this is the topic in organometallic chemistry. If you like, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.